Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Today we're going to be talking about something that I didn't expect to actually ever talk about because I didn't foresee this issue happening to me. I'm usually a one and done kind of deal kind of guy, and let me explain. So as you guys saw a few videos ago, I installed the Ross Racing PCV delete kit. Now, because my PCV still works fine, there's absolutely nothing wrong with my valve cover. I was having issues actually when I put it on. I started smoking a lot, and it's not the kit's fault. Like, that's what it's for. It's supposed to be venting all this stuff, right? But my PCV system works fine, so I didn't actually need to do that. More than anything, I just showed it for demonstration purposes. Now, I do still have the catch can right there. I do like that, and I do have the rest of the system inside, so if my PCV does fail or anything like that, I want to add more venting, anything of the sort, I can just do it that way. So I have the kit just in case. But when I tried to reinstall the cap, the plastic cap, I actually cracked it. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a crack right there. Yeah, so we're gonna have to take care of that. And seeing as my cap was broken, I called Trevor at MST Performance, and he hooked me up with some of these plastic caps. You can get these, or you can get the anodized ones, and I'll have the links for these in the description down below. I'm going to show you how to pop these off, which I already showed you in the other video, but just in case you have to replace this or the diaphragm, I'm going to show you what needs to be done. Okay, alright guys, and to take this off, I recommend grabbing these little crowbars. All you have to do is really pinch up all around, and these are great for that. And this one's broken, so like I really don't care that much to break it. So there we go. The diaphragm's still good on mine, fortunately, so I don't have to mess with any of that. As you can see, you can also replace this to a more durable material if you so please. It won't save you if your valve cover's actually damaged. Now we're gonna grab one of these caps. As you can see, they're the exact same thing. There are these little ridges in here. They kind of want to match up to the little bumps that are on the diaphragm. We're gonna try to get as close to that as possible. Right there. Just take it and you press it in, and if it's under correctly, it should not come up at all. And there you go, an easy replacement of the OEM PCV cap. Anyway guys, that has been it for the PCV cap replacement for your B58 valve cover on the Gen 1. Like I said, if it breaks or anything, you can just replace it with that and replace the diaphragm. Other than that, your other options are going to be like a billet aluminum or like a PCV delete kit like the Ross Racing kit. But yeah, that's basically it. There's another additional option actually that I want to mention, and that is a billet valve cover. I think it's made by VTT, but honestly you have to plan your build if you want to run something like that. That kind of customizes everything a little bit more. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this small, very short, very simple DIY, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Peace.